In this video, we're going to show you how to transition between our floor and the track of a sliding glass door. To do this, you would use an end cap. Also, this is how you would do a transition between basically anything that's vertical where you wouldn't put a baseboard. For example, a floor-to-ceiling window or a stone hearth around a fireplace that might be a lot higher than our floor. In all of these situations, the floor is running into something that is vertical, and that expansion space would not be covered by a baseboard because you wouldn't want them there. So for each of these, you would use an end cap. This is not the only solution, but it is a solution for this situation. This example is not a real installation, but we have a sliding glass door track to show you how this would work. When you've installed your flooring up to that sliding glass door, you're going to leave approximately a 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch gap to accommodate the end cap that you're going to be putting in. As with all of our trim pieces, you'll need sandpaper and a general construction adhesive. You'll start by sanding the base of the end cap, only the portion of the end cap that's going to be touching the subfloor. Once it's sanded, you'll lay down a strip of glue and you'll put the end cap in place. The end cap can be pushed snug up against the sliding glass track, and you want the brim to be covering the edge of our floor. From there, you just let the glue dry and you're all set. As always, if you have any questions about this, you can call, chat, or email us anytime.